that you taught me for all these years. And yes, that's it. And I love you, Sensei.
Next mic is to Khalid.
Thank you. Thank you. To our Sensei Kisha. Wala akong takas. Hindi pwede. Center stage, ako babalik lang galing ko bar. Congratulations pala sa IBSJ. It's a kanilang peace journey. No, I said say happy birthday, Sensei. So thank you for everything that you did with me. Sorry, I didn't go to training for 1 month. Ikaw sunod ha?
Aray.
Yeah, I appreciate everything you're teaching me. Thank you, Sensei. Woo! I love you.
That's the same thing that I said.
Grabe kami. At least I know. Thank you, Sensei Kisha. Okay. Sensei, okay.
Yeah.
Go.
What up, Sensei?
Gang, gang.
Sensei, first of all, I'd like to say thank you for making me like this. I learned so much. Yo. You're like my father figure, because I don't got a dad. You're like a dad to me, Sensei.
Yo.
I love you, Sensei. Sensei. That's it, Sensei.
Walang premyo.
Where's the tears? Where's the tears?
LeBron's the GOAT.
Oh wait, Sensei Riggs is the GOAT, ladies and
Okay, ano bang tawag sa message na yun? Heartfelt, okay! Okay, thank you, Sensei Gatel, for that message. Now, I pass the mic to...
Cornball!
Okay, ang ating matapang!
Dedicated.
Lahat talaga yung matatapang.
Galit!
Sensei!
Sensei, I would like to thank you. So, congratulations rin po pala since naka-recover po kayo. Pinagdadasal ko yun at saka buti na lang po ngayon, bumalik na po kayo. And I'm wishing that in the future, maging healthy po man kayo, maging malakas po man kayo. And Alhamdulillah, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you because I wouldn't be like this. I would be in the privileged position if it weren't for you. Kahit kailan, naging makulit po man ako, kahit kung saan po man ako pupunta, hindi pa rin kayo sumuko sa akin. And that's something that I will never ever forget. Thank you for never ever doing anything me so much. And it shows to me that isa po kayo na parang tinutuloy ko lagi mong tatay. At saka very important, mga ko po at kayo sa akin. At saka, kung saan po ang tama pumunta, kung ano man po ang tagumpay ko, tantayin niyo po sana kasama ko kayo. And always be about my success. Thank you.
Get out of there!
Napakagandang message. Thank you so much. Khalid Biato. Khalid Biato. Okay. Going once, going twice. Khalid Biato. In the
Thank you very much for everything. I appreciate everything you teach me for. Even though I'm a little bit makulit.
Not just...
A little bit makulit. I'm a little bit makulit sometimes.
Walang mga emosyonal ngayon ah.
Thank you for being my second father figure. teacher po. I love you very much. Thank you for the day.
Clap your hands! Where's the tears? Oh, clap your
Please.
Cry, cry.
Ako naiyak sa inyo.
Yusuf.
The whole tribe, you can do this.
The most dedicated.
Ano ba inisip pa?
The end. Let's get some doctors in the chat. That's his right hand man.
Sing.
Throughout this journey, when I was a white belt,
Wait, is this a freestyle?
everyone said that I was supposed to be everyone said I was dedicated and pious, and then when I was at the time of dedication, no one believed in me except for you. And then I pushed myself physically and mentally, and when I was already black belt, I followed the ways of teaching, I followed your advice, I followed your techniques, everything, and I'm trying my best to become like you, and I also want to be the best sensei, and you're like a friend, a brother, a father, a grandfather, and yeah, I'm so happy to have you in my life, sensei, and thank you so much throughout the journey, and I love you, sensei.
Oh, 1,000 push-ups.
Marami kami tayo dito, pero may gusto kong tawagin. Nakatago, pero hindi masyado. Oo nga, yun na naman, Jen. Jen, tsaka Jen. Ayun sa likod na, halika!
Yung nagpalit ng doon.
Mariwan ko sa'yo. Ito siya sa'yo.
Masyado ka naman papalakit. Ano na salita?
Nag-isip ka na.
Oh, why did you?
Starting for now, my parents are talking about it to maybe come back tomorrow.
Yes! Oh, iiyak ka na.
Yo, shut the fuck, I'm done.
Babalik daw bukas.
Alright, time's over.
Oh, yung isa. Oy! McDonald's.
And happy 20th birthday, Sensei.
Last.
Since all of since when we were all white belts, we didn't know anything about karate until a man named Sensei Rex. Thank you, Sensei. who is teaching us everything about karate, the art, the respect, the discipline, the values, and everything, Sensei. And we all gratitude you for your recovery. Inshallah, may Allah, the most greatest of all, make you live longer. Ameen.
Ah.
Galing! Galing niya!
Ako na umiyak.
Iyak! Wala, umiyak!
Go!
Tabir! Tabir!
Oh.
Okay, we still have more. We have more. Okay, Senpai Dave.
Sino pa ba? Wala na?
Sino pa gusto magsalita? Sophie!
Greatness.
Yung mga brown.
All of you are required.
So, this might be gonna be a very long message because I'm going to relate personal experience. First and foremost po,
O, i-upload ko to sa YouTube. Makikita niyo.
thank you po sa mga lessons, especially for other things that I've learned in the karate po. Not only that, when it comes to discipline, respect, or especially with the but also when it comes to self-improvement. First of all, in my previous years, I've been very insecure about myself, especially about how I perceive about being a strong man. The moment when I come into this social, at first I felt uncomfortable because I wasn't around my proper age. But then I still took the risk and still took karate for my there I realized what here it's not only about physical but also emotional. And the thing is, it's hard for me to relate to others, especially when you're soft-hearted. And then I found Sensei po, which is no other than you po, that not only that he's also strong mentally, physically, but also emotionally. You showed me po that even the softest one can be the greatest one. Because before I don't believe that if you're soft, you're strong. I always believe that it's a sign of weakness. But thank you also for not only realizing that I can be actually a better version of myself, but also I can also appreciate myself being soft. And at the same time, you also giving me a chance for being because of neglecting my mental. And under the same post, I would like also to apologize for the mistake in the past, which is similar na rin po sa inyo, whether we have mistake. So overall po, I just wanted to say thank you po once again for helping me po. You're one of the teachers I've learned a lot from you po. Thank you once again for your advice po. And I wish po that you'll grow stronger po. One day po, Yo!
Bigyan ka nga.
Guys, close your ears! Close your ears! Loud! Guys, close your ears! Look at that!
Okay.
Okay,